Hi guys, it's Weedit. I'm here with a super quick layered card, white cardstock, black frame, and we're working on a piece of white cardstock that's going to go on top of all of that. I'm using washi tape in black and white, 4 different layers. I'm putting glue down first because washi tape doesn't stick and you don't want your card falling apart. You can get a masculine look, a feminine look, or a gender neutral look, just depending on the washi tape that you use. You don't have to use black and white. I think craft in black would be really pretty as well, or even craft in white would be really pretty. But whatever colors, it's just a 2-color scheme. Very quick. The washi tape does most of the work for you. I'm going to punch holes along the edge right there using a Stampin' Up! Tool. You don't have to do this. You can use a Pergamano tool, you can use a border stamp, you can use a pokey tool and a ruler. You just want to somehow sort of give it a bit of a finished edge right there. And I found that this does a nice job of adding just a little bit something extra, making it look a little bit more finished. All we have left to do is to add the sentiment. And I think in here you see me using multi-matte medium. I switched over to a glue pen after a while. I did add some dimension by popping this up on double stick thick tape to give it just a tad bit of dimension. And I think I ended up making 3 cards, and I did not do that on all of the cards. So some I did, some I didn't. It really depended on if I was going to mail the card or not. So, but I just think it makes a very quick thank you card, very striking. But whenever I'm using the word die cuts, I don't know why. Yep, there I go with the matte medium. I'm not sure why I was doing that, because I know that using the glue pen works much better for me. So I went through and just stuck this down. One thing you might want to do, I didn't, but I considered it, and that was to just add some little gems. They can be black gems or clear gems or silver gems, just some little gems sprinkled on the card to change it up just a little bit. But other than that, this is a super quick, easy, but very nice and striking thank you card. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more. Bye.